Okay, now let's go on to the next part of our electricity. We have talked about what is our electrical circuits and stuff like this. Now we talk about its effect. Okay, we talk about the effect of it. Generally, current can produce three types of effect. First one is a heating effect. Second one is a magnetic effect. And the last one is a chemical effect. We'll be going through each of them one by one. First up, heating effect. So, heating effect is when we have the electrical energy converted into heat energy. Okay, do take note, for the same amount of energy, or for the same amount of current, sorry, the greater the resistance, the greater the amount of heat. Okay, the greater the resistance, the greater the amount of heat produced. So, why is this something good? Okay, now, heating can be both good and bad. Generally, if it is good, okay, we'll use it like for heating water. So we use a high resistance wire such as nichrome in our kettle to produce more heat so that our water can heat up faster. However, definitely we wouldn't want our wires to have a lot of heat, otherwise it will melt. Okay, our wires, the rubber tubing around it will melt. So we tend to use a low resistance wire to connect our electrical appliances. We use low resistance wires such as copper. They will produce less heat in turn. Okay, less heat for the wires. We want more heat, okay, using for our heating element. Okay, so different purposes we tend to use. So resistance being high or low to produce the heating effect can be both a good and a bad thing. Next one. Okay, now inside the wire here, okay, your filament light bulb, the wire inside here, okay, it's made of a high resistance wire that can give out heat and light energy. So you can see here that current, as you put it through a high resistance wire or high resistance metal or substance or material, it can produce heat and energy. Heat and light. Sorry, heat and energy. Heat is a form of energy. Okay, so it can produce heat and light simultaneously here. So the first effect that we've gone through is the heating effect. Okay, we tend to use current to heat up our things. Okay, so that's the first part.